Today we have a simple water cycle in a bottle activity. This simple science discovery bottle is a quick and easy way to learn about the water cycle. Now for this activity you'll need like a plastic water bottle like we've been using over the last 2 weeks. You'll need some water, blue food colouring and a Sharpie. We are going to be drawing on a glass jar or a plastic jar. If mum or dad say we don't want you to use a Sharpie, maybe use a whiteboard marker so you can wipe it off when we've finished. Now the first step in making a water cycle model is to go ahead and draw clouds, a sun, water and land on the sides of the bottle, just like you see in this picture above. Okay, step 2. This is where you'd probably need an adult to give you a hand. Let's mix up about 1/4 of a cup of water and blue food colouring. This is then going to be poured into a plastic or glass bottle. Now, step 3, place it by the window, maybe the kitchen window or the bathroom window, something that's going to get a lot of light over the next few days. How does the water cycle work? Well, there's a few terms or words that we've been using relating to the water cycle lately. Evaporation, turning from liquid into vapour or gas, and condensation, turning from vapour gas to liquid. Let's talk about that a bit more. The water cycle works when the sun heats up the water and it leaves the ground. Think about water from lakes, oceans, rivers, etc. The liquid water goes up into the air in the form of vapour. When this vapour hits cooler air, it changes back to its liquid form and creates clouds, as we looked at last week. This part of the water cycle is called condensation. When so much of the water vapour has condensed or built together and the clouds are heavy, the liquid falls back down in the form of precipitation. Then the water cycle starts over. It is continually in motion. Now, where does that water go? When the rain falls back down, it may collect in bodies of water like rivers or lakes or oceans. It might sink into the ground to feed the plants, provides animals with water. In the water cycle, if the ground is saturated, the rain may form puddles. What happens to a puddle after it rains and the rain has stopped? Eventually the water evaporates, which is all part of the water cycle, and at some other point it's going to fall back down to the ground again. This water bottle won't show you every stage completely, but it's a great little project to start talking about the water cycle and developing our understanding. Enjoy, be safe, share it on Seesaw. See you guys.